Okay, dear friends, I'm back with another machine on the Vulnhub, which is Deception, the Haclabs series, and we'll add the link into the description section below so that you can download it. Yeah, this is the address or the link. And before we start today's journey, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. This will help me very much. So enough said, let's just get started. To save time, I've already imported the virtual machine into the VirtualBox and also configure its network adapter as host only and started up both Kali Linux and the target virtual machine. So then we can go inside the Kali Linux VM. As you can see, I've already done the map scanning with the usual options like scene scan, the version scan, the default script scan, and also the comprehensive scan by the option of -P-. From Nmap scanning results, as you can see over here, there are two open ports. The first one is 22, which is running SSH service, and also the actual version information. As we know, this version doesn't contain any vulnerability. And the second one is 80, which is running HTTP service, and also the corresponding version information, which is Apache 2. So yeah, I think what we are going to do next is to emulate web application. Let's launch our browser of Firefox and put the IP address of the target. Maybe I clear the history first, so the history information will not affect our penetration. Okay, let's hit enter. Yeah, we got the default Apache 2 page. And as always, of course, just as I said in the other videos, we should follow the standard methodology. For example, for the web application, first the thing we need to check is source code. You know, the source code will review some information. Yeah, like there's some comments like the one, but we just leave it here. So what else we can do? We can check the source code, not source code, the robots file. Sorry about that, not found. Next, we can use Licto to do some emulation. You know, Licto can review information about the web application, like misconfigurations, like vulnerabilities, or some common files or directories. In this case, yeah, we got the WordPress installation. Also this one, the PHP MyAdmin. Of course, we need to see whether this PHP MyAdmin has weak credential vulnerability. Let's hit enter. We can put root and root password. Let's go, but failed. So I think, yeah, the target has WordPress directory. WordPress. Yeah, we got the WordPress back, but this page or this site is not rendered properly, and we can check the source code. I think the problem lies in this is the super link, because this one is localhost. Of course, this will not work properly. Anyway, now we can go back to our browser, and we need to use the GoBuster to do some emulation, right? Let's autocomplete this command. As you can see, yeah, I think this is one of my favorite word list to emulate web applications. And yeah, we have already know that the WordPress is there and also the JavaScript. I think this is a very default one. We cannot get anything useful. And also the PHP my admin. Of course, if you have time, you can let it run to see whichever or whatever directory, which else directory you can enumerate out. But I'd like to interrupt here to save the time. And we can make furthermore directory enumeration for the WordPress directory. As you can see, we got some files like this one. Of course, this one is not a very usual one, right? If you do a lot of machines. So we can check it one by one. And first thing, we can check robots file. Yeah, this one has robots HTML file. We can visit this file and we can, yes, show quest. For example, like a Bob, show quest, and clicks left for loop Bob 49. I think there's some sort of the pop-up, but I don't know what this is about. Maybe we can click OK and we can show quest again. The number will be decreased. So we can just leave this page now, and if necessary, we can come back later. Let's hit OK. Yeah, also we can know there's some other default WordPress installations directories, but also we got this one, hint HTML. So we can put hint. From the name itself, we can tell this is very important or interesting files or page. Let's hit enter. Yeah, it tells us, please collect all the API tokens available on the home page. Of course, just now we have already opened up this home page. And from the first section, we have already know that, yeah, API token is inside this home page in the source code. And we can get this one. But, yeah, from the hint, we can know that we need to get all the API tokens. And we go back to the source code because this here tell us, yeah, this is the API old. In other words, we need to find out the API maybe new or others. And then we can do compilations, right? So we can use the find function to search API, right? And then we can, this is the first API token. And we can go to the next one. And this is the second old token. And next, this is the first old API token. And last one is the new one. And I think we can combine all four tokens into one, because there's some correlation between them, right? And we can, I have already done it earlier. Yeah, this is the token or the password. I'd like quit the directory enumeration. And now, you know, so far that we have already know that the target is running WordPress, although the page is not loaded properly. Then we can use the WordPress scan to enumerate the information, including the username and the plugins. And in this case, we have already got two users. the first one and the second one. So maybe before we try to crack the password for the WordPress administrator panel, I think maybe the username is reused. So we can try to SSH to the target, Haclabs. And we can copy the password. Yeah, this is the API token, the entire API token, and we can put in here. Yeah, but failed. So we can try with another username, which is Yash, and we can paste our password here. Yeah, it looks like it's working. Yeah, operation going on. Yeah, we have successfully logged in as Yash user, and we can check ID. Next, I think we need to do the lateral movement, and we can go to the home directory. Yeah, the two users. Yeah, the Haclabs is another user besides Yash, and then we can go back into the hash directory again, cd Yash, and list all the files. And here we got the first flag here. Okay, and here also we can know, yeah, in this directory there is system logs. We can cut this one, and of course very gibberish message. But if you take a look at this message very, very carefully, there's some information we can get. For example, like here, yeah, this information, except, this one is very meaningful, right? And the meaningful data or string is enclosed in the double quotes. So we can make a copy, right? And then we can paste in here, and we can go on to look for other meaningful data, and which should be also included into quotations, right? Yeah, we got the second one. And this one, the third one is this one. Yeah, it looks like the password is we need to combine this string and another string. But this string, the A or variable, if you're familiar with the Python, yeah, we need to do the reverse of this string, sorry. So we can, yeah, I think we have already got another password for another user. We can try it now, and we can go to the home directory and switch our shell to the Haclabs. And then the password is, maybe I can do it now, Haclabs, and we need to reverse the A string, and we can make a copy. Okay, as you can see, we successfully switched our shell to the user Haclabs, and then we can list all files inside this directory, and there's Haclabs Python script that gets the number. But I think this Python script doesn't reveal any value for us. But anyway, we got the second flag. So what can we do now or next is to elevate our privilege to root user. And the first thing we need to check is sudo Haclabs. Okay, yeah, as you can see, this user can run all commands without supplying the password of root user. So the elevation would be very, very easy. We just run sudo and bin bash. Yeah, and we can check the ID. Yeah, we are root user. Now we can go to the root directory. Then we can get the root flag, which is deception. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.